Christine for Best Buy Canada, and today I'm going to show you the Roidmi S1 Special cordless stick vacuum. So pretty sleek design. I love the red and white finish. Really easy to maneuver with a 270-degree handle. So it's got a brushless digital motor that spins at 100,000 RPM to provide 120 air watts of suction. So I've got a brush here right now that's got rubber and the brush, but you also have roller brush, which might work better on certain surfaces, and hair won't wrap around this one, so you can use either of them. It runs for about 15 minutes per charge, or 10 minutes if you're using the boost mode. So I'm going to give you an idea of how it works right now. I've spilled some graham cracker crumbs here on my kitchen tiles, and I've spilled some here over on a carpet runner. So you just press the button at the bottom here, press and hold it a bit until it goes on. That's the regular mode. So it's going to clean all this up. Now if you find that isn't working effectively, you can try the enhanced boost mode. So I'll put that one on now for you as well. Press this button. Really easy to navigate around corners. Moving around here, really easy to navigate. You should probably be able to get by with the regular mode, but in some cases if there's a particularly soiled area, then you might want to opt for the boost mode. So in terms of accessories, it comes with an extra air filter. So there's an air filter in here in the drum where the dirt and debris is kept. Pop this baby on your wall with the charging cord, and you can just dock it like this to keep it out of the way, which is super cool. And I can show you how you can use it beyond just the standard stick. Pop this off, just press the button and hold it, and you can put on other accessories like this brush. So you operate it the same way, just press the button. Also do that, so it's kind of 3 vacuums in one, and because it's battery operated, you can take it out to the car, you can use it to clean your mattress, whatever you want. So it's a really handy vacuum. So plug it into charge, and here you can see the charging status as well. So that's the Roidmi S1 Special cordless stick vacuum. Sorry, here is just where you empty out the dirt and debris, if you're wondering. And the charging port here. So yeah, this is the Roidmi S1 Special cordless stick vacuum, and you can read more about my thoughts on it in my review on the Best Buy blog. Thanks for watching.